Welcome back, my skibbity sick bros. How was the adventure?
Well, she's dead. Hey, do you mind helping me count how many centipedes are in your room? Oh, sure. Wait, what? Seems like
I need some ibuprofen after this. What the?
How's it going? I think you need more therapy.
You do know these therapy sessions aren't working. Oh, you small-minded jigsaw puzzle. Well,
there's enough of that. Back to work.
You know this is the reason you don't have a wife right now, right? Excuse me? All y'all get your gats over here right now.
Did everyone think about the previous adventure? Wasn't as fun as mine, right? Yeah, I love everybody. They love mine more than Draco's. Yeah.
Oh, shut up.
I've never shut up in my entire life, and I think you know that. Anyways,
Is he serious?
I think you're the one who needs therapy.
What do I do if you like different things? Do all that at once? Huh?
Not kidding. I just said a whole human being.
Oh, what happened to your voice?
Actually, the last adventure wasn't that bad. It was also
You didn't mind the last adventure?
Well, what did you guys think?
I don't know what you had here now. Girl, what the? Why me? What am I doing?
Well, President Pomni, very hard time with the Ohio War. Might need to summon the skinny toilets. What do you think?
Boy, what are you talking about? I don't know what I'm doing. Pretty sure I just get paid to sit here.
It's tax time!
Quick, escape from the tax lady.
My list of top 10 reasons Shadow loves licking.
Is that your son? Or some resemblance?
And on the second page is reasons Sonic Boom is a great TV show. It's right about the national video game.
Sonic X was better. Gen Z ass looking kid probably doesn't know what Smurf Cat is. She was so good to see what the plan is. See that the real deadly spiders to blow up the. Do I think about it?
His acting is phenomenal. I can't believe he's vegan. Yo, I only play Minecraft. What do I do?
You haven't paid those taxes.
I don't get the money.
I haven't gotten a paycheck since 2019.
Who are you to be the president?
No, they don't. Still broke.
About that time I paid you.
That was during COVID.
I still paid you.
Let's get back on topic to the bomb. What do I do?
Is this man stupid? I thought your favorite color was black.
So hi, I'm a Ohio threatened person. I don't know what people threaten with.
Don't make me go.